How to add a coin to your watch list on CoinGecko. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how you can add a coin to your watch list on CoinGecko. To do that, the first step is to open up the CoinGecko application, just like I have done here. Once the application has been launched, the next step is to search for the cryptocurrency you would like to add to your watch list. So to do that, move to the bottom part of the screen of your CoinGecko homepage, where you would see tabs such as Market, Portfolio, Search, Explore, Profile. Click the search option, and then on the search page, the next step would be for you to search for the cryptocurrency. So once you found the cryptocurrency, on the cryptocurrencies page, you'll see details about the cryptocurrency, the overview, info, market, portfolio, news about the cryptocurrency. Once you can see all of this, the next step is to move to the top right corner of the screen. At the top right corner, you would see some tabs like the search icon, the share icon, notification bell, and then the star icon. So click the star icon. And then by doing that, at the bottom part of the screen, you'll see an option for you to add it to your portfolio. Click my portfolio, and then just like that, the coin would be added to your watch list. The coin will be added and it will appear in your watch list. So in case you are wondering how you can do it, this is just how to do it. Okay, that is it. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.